Hello friends, today we are going to learn the if function of Excel. To explain this, I have two examples. One is very simple example and one is little bit complicated example. So we will first go with the simple example. In this simple example, I have the marks. If the marks are more than or equal to 35, the result is pass. And if the marks are less than 35, then the result is fail. So now I want to derive the result of these three students who have marks of 30, 35 and 100 respectively. So to get the result I will use the if function. Please see carefully. Is equal to if open bracket this is more than equal to 35. This is the logical test, comma, then again comma, else. This comma is for else. Bracket complete. So here we can see as the marks are less than 35, the result is fail. I can simply copy this formula and paste it here. So here we get the results of every student. You can see the formula again. Okay, I hope you have understood this very simple formula. Now we will move to a little bit complicated formula of if. Here we can see basically there are slabs for income tax. So if your income is less than or up to 100, the income tax is nil. If your income is 101 to 200, then tax is of 10%. If your income is of 201 to 300, then tax is of 20%. And if your income is above 300, then tax is of 30%. Okay, now if I want to automate the tax calculation with the function of if, how will I do that? Here it is. So I'll explain this how exactly it is done. So I will use the function is equal to if this is more than 300, then this minus 300 into 0.3 plus $30, because up to 300 there will be a tax of 30. So within if there will be one more if, again if tax is more than 200, then F3 minus 200 into 0.20 plus ten. So there will be one more if function within this. If this is more than 100, then this minus 100 into 0.1, else it will be 0. So basically there are 3 times we have used if. So I will have to complete the bracket 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So here it goes. So tax is calculated automatically. So if I change this as a 450, then tax will be 75. If I make it as 500, then tax will be 90. So for example, we will cross tally if our calculation is correct or wrong. So if I make it a 450, tax is calculated as 75. We will cross tally in with this example. So for first 100 of rupees 450, the tax will be 0. For next 100 of your income, tax will be 10%, that will be 10. For next 100 of your income, tax will be 20, that is 20%. And for next 150, the tax will be 30%. So it is 75. So our calculation with this if function is correct. I hope you have understood this function very well. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.